The growing popularity of user-friendly embedded platforms has brought many newcomers into physical computing. Most beginners start by following linear step-by-step online tutorials. However, real-world circuit prototyping is rarely linear. It is exploratory and oftentimes iterative. To bridge this gap, we introduced Wireway, a system that provides hardware-contextualized guidance and in-situ test generation to support personalized and idiosyncratic circuit building workflows. First, Wireway supports single component querying. In this example, the user double-clicked the temperature sensor to add it to the conversational context. Then they asked the system how can they swap this out for a flex sensor. The user can refer to the component in the context using natural language such as this or that. Wireway then responds with context-aware suggestions. When physical guidance is required, the system highlights the relevant locations directly on the breadboard. Users can also click and drag to select multiple components, adding an entire subcircuit to the context. In this example, the user selected the voltage divider in flex sensor reading circuit, then asked the system how to invert the reading value. The system gives physical instructions along with textual explanation. By working module by module, users can learn how a circuit is structured, reason about behavior locally, and make targeted modifications with confidence. Wireway can also reason about the entire circuit. In the previous example, after the user has made the modification to the circuit, they can click Update Schematics to synchronize the current hardware configuration. Then ask, is this connection what you meant? Wireway can also generate tests to verify the current circuit configuration. Here, the user wanted to test the new flex sensor circuit. They clicked the mode button to switch to test mode, highlighted the flex sensor subcircuit, and then asked the system to make a test. The system generated an analog voltage read to visualize the input of the flex sensor. It highlights where the probe should be connected. After connecting the probes, user can run the test and observe the results in real time. After submitting the result to the system, it gives an analytic reply of the circuit behavior. Here is another example utilizing voltage output test to check if the LED is working correctly. By combining circuit verification, physical guidance, and real-time in-situ testing, Wireway supports the diverse and personal ways people prototype circuits. Unlike static tutorials, Wireway adapts to how each maker chooses to build. By respecting individual strategies while providing contextual guidance, Wireway encourages exploration, helping users create circuits their own way.